Hey, it's Sully again, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cool saw blade clock. I had this old saw blade lying around, so I'm going to turn it into a clock using one of these kits from a hobby store. I wanted to do this as easily as possible, so I decided I would hot glue everything together to keep it secure. So first thing you have to do is secure this little metal tab, which you can hang the clock with, to this plastic housing. So I'm just going to put a little hot glue and quickly push it down on top. Now, I know that the top of my saw blade is right here in line with this tape measure because it needs to line up with this tab here. And I'm going to go ahead and hot glue this whole thing onto the saw blade. That's it. Doesn't take long to get hard. After the glue's dry, all you really have to do is follow the instructions that came with your clock kit. Now we just have to put a battery in. Now we just pop this battery in, and as you can see, it's working and looks pretty cool.